Welcome back, everyone, to SK Trading Pro. And today I'm going to be talking about retracements and how different levels for different pairs reacts off of different levels on the Fibonacci. And first of all, I want to tell you guys this, that on gold pairs, the Fibonacci levels are reacted from the 0.5 and the 0.618 levels. Okay, please take notes on this. So on the gold pair, the fib reacts off of the 0.618 and 0 and the 0.5 level. And what I mean by that is this right here. The SK system and the SB system are two different systems. And SB system works best for gold, and SK system works best for, everything. But I want to teach you guys this, that the Fibonacci levels for gold reacts off of differently than the Forex pairs, and the Forex pairs reacts off of the 0.705 and the 0.791 level. Okay, the Forex, this is for Forex pairs, and what I mean by that is this. So when the market is doing lower lows and lower highs, right? It sometimes, like 20 to 30% of the time, it retraces back to the 0.705 and the 0.79 level, but it never 70%, 80 of the percent of the time, gold pairs react off of the 0.618 and the 0.5 level. And what I mean by that is this right here. You see how it's reacting off of this right here, and then it's reacting off of here, it's reacting off of here, and that's what I mean by that. It usually reacts off of the 0.618 and the 0.5 level. And for Forex pairs, it usually reacts off of the 0.705. Let me do this really fast. And 0.791 level. So I want to make these two different colors than the gold one. So you see how Forex pairs react off of the 705 level and the 792 level. Okay. And gold pairs react off of the 0.5 and the 0.618. So yeah, SK system is a little bit different than the SB system, and you want to train your eyes to do this with the SK system. So you mark out you mark out your swing lows and your swing highs, and you want the price to violate that swing low. So you want to wait for a market structure shift, which happens right here, market structure shift, and now you want a retracement back to B, and then now you get in and target your swing highs. Okay, so you first want to see the indication of your swing lows and your swing highs get broken, and you want to see a market structure shift, you want a retracement back to B, and then you want to see a clear break of structure. And what I mean by that is this: so you want to train your eyes. So that's where liquidity gets taken out. Okay, and now you want to see a market structure shift. So you want to go in on the markets and you want to train your eyes to do this, okay? So you get very, very good at it. So you mark out your B level, and now after you see that break of structure, you want to get in on the BC, okay? So this is your BC zone right here. This is your BC zone. What I mean by that is this. This is your B level, and now you want to target your C levels. And how do you identify your take profit level? You go from that lower low to that higher high, back to that lower low. So this is your take profit level right here. So you get in on the BC, right? You target that. And you want to put your stop loss below that B right here. And now you see how it hasn't reached its full potential. It's because of the war. The market's not reacting very well. And yeah, I mean, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.